What's up, faves? It's the morning time. Day 3 of my suspension because I was suspended. I learned my lesson from this, from what happened. So I had to talk to my mama. And I'm basically up just making some eggs in the morning. So, yeah.
At the school picking up the babies today. It's just me and Jay. The sister stayed at home. I think she doing revenge on me because yesterday I decided to stay at home since, Jen, of course, was riding with her. And I think, that's what I think. I think
she probably trying to prank you.
I don't think she trying to prank me. I think she did that because she feel like, oh, well, since you stayed at home yesterday, I'm going to stay at home today. And you can drive and go get the kids. But I stayed at home because I needed to make some video content for my other pages. It's the reason why I stayed at home. Because I needed to create some content and I knew she wouldn't be by herself. But I think that she stayed at home today as payback. Because she's, like I said, I think she like, yeah, you didn't go yesterday and you stayed at home. So now you go pick up the kids and I'm gonna stay at home. It's okay though. It's okay. I don't think she tried to prank. I don't think. I don't know. I don't think she's trying to prank. I think that I'm gonna go on the cameras and I'm gonna peek on her.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. That if she is trying to prank you, then that'll give it away.
No, I won't. She won't even know I'm on
But
there.
here's why I think she's trying to prank you, because you said she can come and she like, all right, I'm gonna come. But then you said you don't have to. She hurried up and switched up and said, okay, I'm just not gonna come.
She heard me say, I ain't gonna go. And said, Jen, you going with her?
Because at first when I was upstairs, I had heard her say, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and come with us. But then he was like, you don't have to. She's like, okay. Because mama don't give up. If she really wanted to come, mama don't give up that easy just not to come. That's why I say she probably trying to do a prank. Because let's be honest, every time you say, you don't have to come, she be like, no, I want to come. She put up a debate of why she want to come. That's why I say that.
Is she trying to prank?
What if it's not on you? What if it's on me? Yeah.
I don't know, but we'll find out. I'm finna sneak on her and see what she do. That's what I'm about to do. I checked the camera. She just sitting on the couch watching TV. I don't think she's trying to pull a prank, Jen. I think she just she just didn't want to go because I didn't go yesterday.
Yeah, probably.
I really think that's what it is, but maybe so. We'll find out when we get home, that's for sure. If she do something weird, then
it's over.
Then she trying to play games.
It's over.
But I don't think she's trying to play games. I think she's just cooling and relaxing. She just getting me back because I didn't go yesterday to pick.
Or she just didn't want to go because she wanted to finish watching that Megan. Said that she watching.
One or the other. Y'all, we've been sitting here and Jan hasn't shut up yet. He has been talking.
You trying to be funny?
I'm being serious. He has been talking my ears off. This boy can talk. He get that from his mama.
No, I get that from you. All you do is talk.
All you do is talk, and you get that from your mama. Because
no. Since all you do is talk.
Since me and my sisters have been kids, all she do is talk. That woman can talk a lot, and she has been like that since we were kids. And you take right after her because you have been sitting in this truck talking my ears off.
Because literally. I'm hot and bored. I don't want to. That's not a good combination.
You still been talking my ears off. Like, he hasn't been quiet once.
What you want me to do? Go to sleep?
Quiet once, guys.
You want me to go to sleep?
No, but you still been talking my damn ears off. He hasn't, like, just. He been talking my ears off. It's okay.
Well, you don't want me to be bored, so.
I don't care if you bored. You still talk about ears off. I still love
reading
you.
Them books you be reading is boring.
It's not.
Yes,
it's not
it is.
boring. It keeps me entertained.
Well, the books you be reading ain't.
You never read none of the books that I read. So anyway,
Well, you be
he's just
talking
mad
about them.
because he be talking my ears off, y'all. He been talking my ears
I
off
read
this
this
whole time in
serious
this
books.
truck. And I think my ears are getting ready to fall off right now. Because that's how much he been talking.
You think you funny, huh?
I know I'm funny. So time is passing. It's almost time for Contreal and Nevaeh to find me. Come
Dang,
on
I'm
now.
looking shiny in this. Oh, what the heck is you coughing on me like this from?
Sorry, it's up. It's caught in my throat. It's almost time for. Damn, what was I saying?
You're being nasty. Ugh.
It's almost time for them to come out. So I'm excited about that. You ready for them to come out?
Yeah.
Me too.
TT, I'm already sick of you making it worse. You keep on coughing over here.
You'll be okay.
I don't want your germs.
You'll be okay.
No, I will not.
I'm eating the whole right now.
That don't mean nothing.
I'm eating the whole right now.
Ain't you? And don't you got a cold?
I'm losing it thanks to these horns.
You losing it. You don't. It's not gone yet. Now, if I cough on you, then you gonna be mad.
You better not cough on me. I'm losing my cold. I'm not trying to get it back. Anyway, we almost out here, y'all. So wait till they come out.
You think you funny? I'm finna.
Here come Connie right now. What's up, baby? How was your day? Good. You tired? Why you always running? Ain't that cold? Always unzip like I always say. Now we just waiting on Vaya. Put your stuff in your book bag, Poopa.
What should I got plans to?
You ain't gonna say hey to the face?
Hey, face.
You ain't give me no hug. You ain't give me nothing.
This is our vlog, Connie. Oh yeah. You can
This
talk to
sun
them,
is
but you ain't
being-
want to talk to
Oh, don't say nothing to me, Jay. It's like, nah, I'm just joking. I am talking to you too. Yeah, he talking about some because he felt like it.
No way.
No, wait, what?
I forgot my car. I forgot. Dang it.
What? What'd you forget?
I forgot my computer.
At school? It's alright. You can go one day without it.
them. You want to get your medicine?
Please.
Yeah,
Titi, you skipped the house.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did not skip the house. I know where I'm going.
Titi, you skipped the house.
She knows where she's going though.
Oh.
It's always the people in the back seat that's not doing the driving that always got so much to
Titi, I
say.
forgot my homework.
Always talking. You not driving. I know where I'm going.
I forgot my homework.
You forgot your homework? That's all bad.
I just forgot my homework. Well, she had just gave us 2 minutes, right?
How you do that, Contrail?
I don't know.
What was the papers that you just had?
That was my grades.
I hope they good grades. Ooh, came up here to Walgreens Pharmacy at a good time, okay? It is no line. I'm about to get my medicine. What? It's about to be next already. I ain't gotta wait. Well, that's depending on how fast these people go. Yeah. What is you doing?
I thought we was getting.
Yeah. You lame because you're not doing it.
You shut up. I told you about shutting me up. Shut up.
Yeah. Join in the van. Yeah.
She lame too, then.
Woo. I said, whoop going on. Whoop going on. Whoop going on. Whoop.
See, it's a burn this right there.
It's okay. Today, mac and cheese and finally back home after getting the kids and picking up my medicine. Why is it look pink on the wall? It did. It looked like it was pink on the wall. I'm dancing the vibes. How you feeling, bro?
Man, my head hurts so something there. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna end up going to the doctor to get an MRI.
I be hating when you be feeling bad.
I didn't have a headache. I keep. Bitch, keep your jars to yourself. I ain't trying to get sick. I already got a headache.
Say sorry. You're so cute. Can I get one of them pictures?
Keep having it. Yeah, you can get just not getting hot, mama. That shit almost got in my mouth.
In your mouth.
Yeah, because I was talking. Like, I don't want your snot.
I'm sorry.
Like, that's fucking.
What's that? The hot mama right here?
Yeah.
Can we switch?
The last one. No, because you had a whole hot mama. You just keep saying what you want. Now go on back over there. I'm done talking.
I'm sorry.
What you saying? Fuck away.
Damn. Anyway, what y'all guys doing? You know I'm cooking some mac and cheese and stuff, but you want to eat that just for right now. All right, buddy. Be careful with this.
Look, see, I know how to do it. I put mine on four.
No, that's too high. You should be messing with this stove anyway. You really shouldn't.
I'm old enough. I'm 9 years old, and I know how to. I know how to cook.
What is you doing? Girl, chill out. What are you doing, Van? Anyway, we home.
You picking a pickle?
You drinking the juice?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Not about it.
I'm sorry. I got the sneezies. Dang, girl, I ain't got no disease.
Look, these fans make your listen. Cause you know you could be secretly stressed and don't know. Yeah, that's fucking disgusting.
I'm sorry.
You can have it all.
Oh,
I didn't sneeze on your juice.
Yes, you did.
I sneezed in my hand, literally.
No, you didn't.
You
I
didn't
didn't.
put any ice in this.
Y'all bugging, man. Let me get back.
She Baba, I'm telling you what she
When
said.
somebody asks for water, don't you think you want some ice in there so you can have some cold water? She's gonna give me some damn water.
No car.
Bro, my cup and everything is open. And, like, go on the fuck on with that bullshit.
I just had to sneeze.
But
I got the
your
sneezing.
hair all in
Now
my
you
face.
got this garlic jump.
I just got the
Well,
sneeze.
sneeze somewhere else. But then you gonna eat that.
Y'all
garlic
mean.
jump. Yeah, you not cooking today doing all that bullshit.
What? It's fine. I can't help it.
Go ahead, get off.
If she try to do that to her, my noodles, we gonna put my trouble.
That's crazy.
She probably got her mucus all on your shirt.
No, I don't. I can't believe you checking the shirt. Ugh, you got a little boogie that really came out that you wiped it on your head. So we back in my house. I've been sneezing on them, y'all, just to get their reaction, just to see what's not funny.
What you doing? That's nasty.
I haven't even did it no more. I was sneezing on them.
It's hot.
I was sneezing on them just to get.
Stop saying that, baby.
What you eating got to do with me saying sneezing? Sneeze, 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 sneeze. Anyway, I was sneezing on them to get their reaction. It was funny.
It wasn't. It was disgusting.
It was.
I'm just glad you didn't do that.
End it, man.
Like,
comment, subscribe. Bye.
bye.